So the customer said he turned his kill switch off and the unit would no longer jump start or start at all. So I verified the customer complaint, turned the kill switch on and off, and then went and attempted to start it. Nothing at the dash, no start. Went ahead and after checking the batteries, checked the connector at the kill switch. There was some green there, nothing at the terminals. Everything seemed good there too. Still went ahead and cleaned them up a little bit, put that back together. Jumped to the front to the power net distribution box. The cable had power, but there was no power at the bottom. So checked the other side of it, same thing, obviously. So then decided to go ahead and get a jumper cable and jump the top stud, the top cable where there was power, down to the bottom and see if this thing wakes up, and it does. So after waking up the system, went ahead and tried it again, see if we can get it started. And over there, key on, bam, unit starts. Another good fix. Follow for more tips like this. Peace.